What's up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm. So for those of you who have been following along, you know that we are in the process of replacing all of our old raised garden beds with brand new raised garden beds from Vigo Gardens. Why are we doing this? You got to look back at some of the other videos and we have a good explanation of why we're going through this very painstaking process. So what I wanted to today, show you all our progress so far, and not only are we replacing beds, we're also growing our organic garden here, and we're going to be putting some new beds in as well. So today I'm going to be putting those new beds in. I'm going to show you guys exactly how we fill our garden beds at the most optimal way to ensure for good soil and that you don't need a ton of soil as well. So come on, I'll show you what we've got. All right, y'all, so we have replaced 4 of our 8 garden beds so far. So it's our fall garden. We still have some stuff still being planted. We had a really hard frost not too long ago. These are our Brussels sprouts and our cabbage, and I'm not sure they survived. We'll see, and we'll get back to you if they did or not. Of course, we have our bed of garlic here, and that's still looking really good. So that's what we've gotten replaced so far. We still have some of our collards that we're actually still eating, even though they're looking a little peaked. But we're also extending our bed as well. So we've got 4 beds back here that we've now put in, and a lot of this is herbs. A lot of this is, again, more garlic, and we're going to continue on with our fall garden and replace these as we need to grow more of our produce. But today we have these 2 beds here that I've put up. You're going to have these 2 beds and a nice pergola going up the front, and nothing but flowers just overflowing from these beds. So these are the Vigo Garden novel 17-inch 6-in-1 kit. There's a lot of different configurations you can use. The one we're using is basically a 3x5. I think it might be 3.5 by 5 feet, which is going to really do a good job of just sort of silhouetting the front here. And then we're going to have a nice pergola that's going to be coming up over the top. You know, some good vines that are going to be creeping up over them. Beautiful flowers spilling out. So I have put these together, which was just easy peasy, and now I'm going to fill them. I'm going to show you this technique that we use to fill them. So all right, here we go. All right, y'all. Do I look a mess? You always look beautiful, babe. There you go. The last thing you're going to want to do is get a good layer of mulch to cover up that topsoil. That's a really important thing you want to do. We use hay straight from our goats' stable. It's got some good cold compost in it that's going to help with the soil, but covering it with something like leaves or pine straw or hay is going to be really important. So Heather, you're here.
Yes.
What is your vision for this little area here?
So I want these to be flower beds. So I'm going to do bulbs and I'm going to succession plant so that we get some spring flowers to come up and then summer flowers and then things in the fall. So that's the plan. And Dave, the great builder, never
The
ending project
great
man,
builder.
is going to do a trellis. So the trellis is going to come off each end of the beds and then come up, and then we're going to do vines that go around. I haven't decided what kind of vines, maybe clematis, I'm not sure yet. So
Clematis. All right, y'all, there you go. We're really loving these Vigo garden beds. We still have a lot of work to do to replace the rest of these beds, but man, they are just awesome. They're really pretty. We're really happy about it, and again, we're collaborating with Vigo on this project, so it's pretty great. So anyways, thank y'all for stopping by. Remember to go ahead and subscribe, share the video if you like it, comment, like the video. The more people we can get to subscribe and view, the more we can promote this way of life of doing what we do out here at Wild Hearts Farm, and that's living a more sustainable life, connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. So thanks for stopping by again, y'all, and God bless. All right.